Hello guys, so this is our task in the Sparks Foundation internship. The task is exploratory data analysis of sports based on the IPL dataset. Here's the GitHub link. First we are importing all the libraries necessary, and then we are reading the data using pandas. The data is loaded into the Scholar notebook from the link provided. uh, we are looking at the dataset of the matches. What does the matches and the deliveries dataset looks like? So as we can see, this is the head of the dataset. Now we are printing the information, number of columns and rows. So as we can see, total 756 entries in the matches dataset and 179078 entries in the deliveries dataset. Now we are printing the number of umpires in the match dataset, which is 637. We are describing the match dataset, the count, mean, median, maximum, minimum, all those values. Now when we are looking at the dataset, we need to make some observations and conclusion, right? So the observations part, we are looking at the team which has won by the maximum number of runs. So we can look at the data here, and if we directly search for that data set, we will provide an ID max of winner, and we can see maximum wins is by Mumbai Indians. uh, Maximum win by runs is by Mumbai Indians, and maximum runs win by wickets is by Kolkata Knight Riders. We can view this on this side here, that Mumbai Indians is the winner. uh, Next we are this is the observation part. Now we are plotting the data set, right? So we are using Seaborn library to plot the data set here. We're looking at all the data, uh, the number of matches here. So which team has the most number of matches? uh, as we can see, Mumbai Indians has the most number of matches. It is obvious because they have won the most number of titles. So yes, and Mumbai Indians is the winner in most of the matches. What is the top player of match winners? We are looking at this chart, uh, and here we can see CH Gill. Christopher Henry Gill is the top performer in the winning matches. Number of matches in each venue, we have brought a venue chart here. uh, we are just changing the parameters of the x value um, to get all these information here in the form of these graphs. Number of wins of each team, the champion of each season. uh, they, we have even discussed about the toss decision. So what is the number of times a team has chosen fielding versus batting? uh, so 55% are chosen to be field first. This is kind of obvious because there is on the Indian pitches it is obvious to field first. So now we are looking at the toss decision in each season, right? So the number of times a team has fielded versus batting. So in the recent trend, fielding is on the rise, whereas earlier it was mostly equal, or let us say batting has the upper edge. So this is kind of a new observation here. And then we are predicting the number of wins that a team batting second has. So 53.7%. It is not that much, but it is slowly the teams are realizing that fielding first is might be the right option. What is the top number of umpires now? Uh, as you can see through this chart, S. Ravi has played the most number of matches as an umpire. So okay, and then we are looking at the batsman analysis, the top run scorers in IPL, and it is Virat Kohli followed by Suresh Raina. This kind of obvious here. Then we are the most number of boundaries. It is Shikhar Dhawan, uh, which is really remarkable. And then yes, when most number of sixes and fours, which are what is the batsman? Christopher Henley will obvious answer. And then most number of dot balls is Virat Kohli only. So this is kind of surprising here. Now we are looking at the batsman with the highest percentage of dot balls. It is Saurav Ganguly. He has not played many matches here, but this is kind of a different thing to look at now. Now we are looking at the bowler analysis. top bowlers, number of balls faced, and number of balls bowled. Harbhajan Singh, I think it is uh, on the trend right now. And then what is the most number of wickets, most number of dot balls? You can look at that data set here. And then what is the most number of extras that the bowler has given? So here we can see SL Malinga from Mumbai Indians has given the most number of extras, uh, and then this is a interesting figure because most often there have been instances of caught, but then there have also been instances of obstructing the field, which is kind of rare in cricket. But then IPL has everything. So yes, here we have made all the observation which we have gotten from these charts, and hence we have concluded the exploratory task of this internship. Thank you so much for your time.